Majipā Lākhē is a special Lākhē in Nepalese folklore. He is also known as the Peaceful Bhairava, Shant Pairv. The dance of this Lākhē takes place only in the week of the full moon of the month of Yenlaa of the Nepal Sambat calendar. He is considered to be the protector of the children. The Newari word Majipā is derived from Sanskrit Manjupatan Manjusri city and Quat. Lākhē is the term used to denote carnivorous demons. Majipā Lākhē literally means the carnivorous demon of Majipā and Quat. According to stories passed down through generations, Majipā Lākhē is supposed to have fallen in love with a girl from Majipā. So, the demon takes a form of a human and enters the city to see his beloved. Upon knowing the fact that the person is a Lākhē, the people capture the Lākhē and present him to the king. The king makes a proposal to the demon that he will grant him a place in the city if he vows to preserve the children from other demons and participate in the annual Yenlaa Jatra, also called Indra Jatra. The Lākhē agrees and is supposed to reside in Majipā ever since. Another story links Lākhē to banishing the two cannibal children of the king Sawan Baku, after he was requested to do so by Akash Bhairav and Hanuman. However, the two children returned to the city on Yenlaa to claim their rule and to devour humans. Lākhē is supposed to send them out of the city. This is symbolically represented in a dance conducted in Yenlaa every year. Majipā Lakhey's wife's name is Lāshī, and their daughter's name was Lakapati. During the Indra Jatra festival in Nepal, the Majipā Lākhē dance is conducted by the Rāñītkars of Kathmandu. Unlike in other traditional dances, the dancers are not trained in this dance. The Rāñītkars may have inherited this dance in their genes. The costume of Lākhē consists of a mask with hair and costumes attached to it. Together, these costumes and the mask can weigh up to 50 kilograms, 110 pounds. Before donning the mask, 24 meters, 79 feet, of clothing has to be worn. With all these additional weights, the Lākhē dance must still be performed easily and gracefully.